That energized song was brought to you by
MX3. Dito ako believe.
Ito ang number 1, 06.7. Number 1. Energy FM.
Energy.
Naka-energy na ba ang lahat? Yo, Pangga!
Yo, Pangga!
It's that time of the year! Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino!
Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino!
Tara, support OPM like it's the playlist of our lives!
Your presence is a present.
Bro, legit! Pag OPM, solid vibes. Parang bawat kanta, may hugot, may sayaw, may soul.
Totoo! Mapabanda, girl group or boy band at P-pop, wala kang tapon. Proud Pinoy, proud playlist.
I got fire in the love and I move. Zero pressure, zero diamonds.
Support local besties. Kasi OPM isn't just music. It's culture, identity, at pagmamalaki.
Ganto! Siyempre, OPM hits different. Lagi may kurot sa puso. Tapos, may sayaw pa sa dulo.
Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino.
Hi, Pangga! Ang oras natin, 12 midnight. I energy you. That energized time check was brought to you by
MX3. Dito ako believe.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now conclude another day of broadcasting excellence. You have been listening to Energy FM, owned and operated by Ultrasonic Broadcasting System Incorporated, as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission, and a proud member of the Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas. We thank you for making us part of your day and look forward to bringing you more music and entertainment. We will resume broadcast at 5 a.m. Sunday morning. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and always keep the energy alive. Good night, and thank you for tuning in. Ultrasonic Broadcasting System Incorporated. UBSI. Informing and entertaining Filipinos since 1998.
Energy! Energy! Energy!
Same, pero iba. Same, pero iba.
Energy FM.
Araw at gabi mo'y tunay na sasaya dito. Sagot namin, tugtugan, kantahan, walang patid na tawanan at kulitan. Huwag sabihin radyo, sabihin mo
Number 1.
Energy.
Ito ang number 1, 06.7 Energy FM.
Trabaho, opisina, kotse, taxi at jeep.
What?
Tricycle, FX, basta masigip.
Okay, ah.
Palengke, internet, plaza, karinderya. Energy FM, nagbibigay saya.
Huwag mong sabihin radyo, sabihin mo
Number 1.
Energy.